In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the microphone of your iPad 11A16 is not working in FaceTime. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just remove any case which you might have applied on your iPad and make sure that this microphone is not covered. Also, if you have applied any screen protector which is covering this microphone over here, just remove the screen protector and make sure that both of the microphones are not covered. Also, if you find any dust or debris stuck in either of the microphones, just use a soft brush and clean the microphones of your iPad. Now, if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. Now from here, just open Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. Now, if Bluetooth is turned on your iPad, just turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is turned on your iPad might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones, and this might be why the microphones of your iPad are not working. Now, after you disable Bluetooth, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, just scroll down a bit, and you will find the option for microphone. Now just tap on it, and from here, just look for the FaceTime app and make sure that the toggle for FaceTime is enabled. Now if the toggle for FaceTime is not available over here, then for that, in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the microphone. Now if you're unable to find the microphone toggle over here, then just go to your home screen and open the FaceTime app. Now from here, just do a FaceTime video or audio call and make sure that the toggle for the microphone is enabled. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the FaceTime app, then tap on it. Now from here, just disable the toggle for FaceTime, and after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then enable the FaceTime toggle back on. Now after you enable the toggle for FaceTime, then just scroll down, and under You Can Be Reached by FaceTime app, just make sure you select your Apple ID over here. Now after you enable FaceTime and after you select your Apple ID in this section, then in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You'll just reset all the settings of your iPad to the default iPad settings in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then just go back to the general settings, but this time just tap on Software Update. Now if you find any software update over here, just tap on Update Now and update the software of your iPad. Because sometimes these issues can be caused because of a software glitch, and these issues can be fixed by a software update. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.